not enough shade for them, you know? What is up, guys? We are down here at the Riverwalk. How's it going, guys? Are there any fish around here?
We have big fish here.
Really?
Yeah.
This is cool. Literally, it's cool. Down here at the Riverwalk. And we're over here at Gunther Street. And we're checking out the San Antonio River. This is super cool. Is that a kayak launch?
Huh?
Is that a kayak launch?
It is.
That's awesome.
Sure, it looks like it.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of FishiganMilligan. We're out here
In the woods, in the middle of nowhere.
in the woods, in the middle of nowhere. But we hear running water, and that's a good sign. Running water is a good sign, right? We hear water, we come running with our fishing poles.
It's this water.
Oh, that water. And we're gonna see if we can't pull a couple out today. We're down here at the Conception Park in San Antonio, Texas. Came up for a few days, hanging out with some friends, and see if we can't catch a bass or two. We're going for the elusive Guadalupe bass that is only found here in Texas. It is the state fish. It's feisty, it's finicky.
Is it the state fish for real?
It is the state fish.
Hi.
Hi. So we're out here catching the state fish. Stay tuned, state fish coming at you soon.
Sandals, you could have just gone barefoot.
What is up, guys? We are down here at the Riverwalk. Fish around here?
We have big fish here.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like here and over there by the Johnson Bridge, I always see fish over there.
Okay.
Like I said, I've seen a lot where we have rainbow trout.
Oh, that's awesome.
Bass.
That's cool.
Catfish.
Yeah.
Diamondback water snakes.
Oh, shoot. Money spot. What? No.
There was a fish that jumped right there.
Oh. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, we're
tired.
We're tired. We're not gonna retire, but we're tired. We're gonna go ahead and give it a break for now. It's about 2 o'clock. We've been hitting it for a while, so we're gonna go see if we can't find some food and recharge our batteries, literally. because my GoPro batteries are dying. And also metaphorically, we'll get back out here because it's super nice. And we're not gonna stop until we catch a fish for you guys. All right, what is up, guys? We left downtown and we're trying some areas that are a little more rural. Check it out. We're gonna give this place a shot. Got the old wacky rig today. Gonna try it on these finicky little fish. Got the old Palo rod with the Shimano. And a little wacky rig. It's the Guggen baits. Ooh, that was a big explosion. There's one. There's one. Nicole! There's one on the wacky rig. Man, that thing is skinny. Jeez, that thing is skinny. Holy cow. You can tell this bass has been caught before. It's got holes in its mouth on both sides, but it could not say no to the wacky rig.
He was fishing for 10 hours and he caught a fish barely. On the wacky rig.
Wacky rig. When all else fails, the wacky rig doesn't. It's like a little zombie. See how he just stays there in the bottom? There's one right there. There's a bass. Oh god. There's a bass right there. Oh, there he, oh, we spit it out. He spit it out. He had it for a second, he spit it out. Oh my gosh. There he goes, he took off. Dang. There's one. There's one. Ah, came off. Dang it. I had him for a second. He just started swimming away with it. We ended up finishing up over here at Espada Park, where we had one of these bad boys waiting for us. So, been kind of a slow day. It's hotter in Hades, and it's alright. We'll give it another try later, but as of right now, we're gonna just chillax for a little bit. Peace. There's one.